All right, let's get back to worksheet 37, and we have a couple of questions, 8 and 10, and they're actually very similar problems. So let's see. So the first thing you see it's in polar, and I want to convert it to rectangular. So I'd like to get some x's and y's in. However, I can't, right? Unfortunately, x is r cosine theta, and I just have a cosine theta. And sine theta, I wish I had an r there and have this other r on the other side. Well, remember in math, what you can do is you can multiply both sides by something. So why not? Let's multiply both sides by r. So if I were to multiply everything by r, I would get, first off, r squared equals, but now we can make this nice. This is 4r cosine theta. Hey, there it is. Minus 2r sine theta. There it is. So that is feeling pretty good. And you might see that even the r squared is not a bad deal because r squared changes to x squared plus y squared. 4, and then r cosine theta is 4x, and minus 2r sine theta is minus 2y. And there you go. Now, that looks pretty good, but the manners are kind of bad there. So I would like to get it in some good manners, which is if you know the equation of a circle, it's like x squared plus y squared equals r squared. So that would be nice, the radius squared. So maybe I should kind of get it in that form. So good answer here. However, it's got bad manners in it. So if you want to make it pretty, put everybody on the same side and then do something you probably haven't done in a while. Complete the square, right? So it looks like this right now if I move everybody to the same side. Remember how complete the square works. Take half the middle numbers, -2, squared it, and add 4 to both sides. And do the same thing here. Half the middle number is 1, squared is 1, add 1 to both sides. And now look, this factors to x minus 2 squared. This factors to y plus 1 squared, and it equals 5. And that looks a whole lot like this. It tells me that it's a circle, its center's been moved, and its radius is root 5. That's how I do number 8. I might as well crack number 10 right now because it's going to be the same thing. Multiply both sides by r, you're going to get r squared equals 4r cosine theta. And then I'm going to do x squared plus y squared equals 4x. And again, that looks pretty good. However, it is kind of bad manners because some people will see that as a circle, but they don't really know where the center is, what the radius is. So let's help them out. So x squared minus 4x plus y squared equals 0. Half the middle number is 2. -2 squared is 4. Add 4 to both sides, and lo and behold, you're going to be done. X minus 2 squared plus y squared equals 4. And there she is. All right, stay happy.